Are you an educational institution striving to integrate new online trainings and develop immersive bootcamps or workshops, but finding the planning and development process too costly and time-consuming? Are you considering implementing a modern and comprehensive learning management system within your educational organization, but concerned about the technological complexities and significant investment required? Do you aspire to equip your instructors with top-tier teaching materials to enhance their teaching capabilities, but are held back by the high costs and challenges in creating these resources? Welcome to TechClass, where we offer solutions tailored to your unique needs. As your partner, we're committed to redefining your educational strategies, enhancing your training programs, and ensuring exceptional student success. TechClass is your gateway to the future of education. We not only provide access to trending online trainings, bootcamps, and workshops, but also integrate an AI-powered learning management system to revolutionize your educational experience. Our trending online trainings enhances your open university offerings or degree programs with our curated online resources from our departments in data science, digital marketing, office productivity, and web development. Our immersive bootcamps and workshops provide students with the practical skills they need for success in a fast-paced world. You will have access to AI-powered LMS, which is more than a platform that streamlines student management, boosts motivation, tracks performance, and simplifies tasks. TechClass also provides premium teaching materials to equip your instructors with resources that ensure outstanding education delivery. We provide comprehensive training support to save on hiring costs. We manage your student training, letting you reduce direct and indirect expenses. And we offer high-quality marketing assets to elevate your visibility and appeal to a broader audience in the educational sector. But that's not all. We offer an MVP collaboration model to ensure your satisfaction via testing our partnership with a trial project. Whether you're interested in exploring new areas of educational partnership or you're seeking to expand our collaboration in existing areas, we're always open to discussions. TechClass has a diverse portfolio of partnerships with international organizations and universities. Your organization could be our next partner. Schedule a call with us, discuss your needs, and let's kickstart this educational transformation together.